In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zoho mail account. Resetting your email account is an essential skill, especially when you're facing issues with logging in. Whether you've forgotten your password or you suspect your account security is compromised, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, we need to visit the Zoho Mail website. Open your web browser and type in the Zoho Mail URL, or click on a saved bookmark if you have one. This will bring you to the home page where you can access various options related to your email account. Next, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. It's crucial to ensure you're on the official Zoho Mail website to protect your credentials. Once the sign-in window appears, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type in the email address associated with your Zoho account. After entering it, click on the Next button. This will take you to a page where you usually enter your password. However, since we're resetting your password today, you'll need to click on the Forgot Password link. This link is generally found below the password entry field and is the gateway to reclaiming access to your account. After clicking on Forgot Password, a new page will load where you'll see a CAPTCHA code. Carefully input the CAPTCHA in the designated text box to verify that you're not a robot. CAPTCHAs can sometimes be tricky, so if you can't read it, click the Refresh button for a new one. Upon entering the CAPTCHA, click Next. You'll be directed to the next steps in the reset process. Hit Continue to initiate the password reset procedure. Now you'll need to verify your identity. Various verification options may be available depending on your account setup. For our purpose, we'll choose to verify via email. Select Verify via email address from the list. Once clicked, Zoho will send a verification code to your recovery email. To access this, head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Zoho containing the one-time password, or OTP. Copy the OTP code from the email and return to the Zoho reset page. Paste the OTP into the required field to prove your identity. Then click Verify. If your account has multi-factor authentication, or MFA, you may need to enter an additional one-time code which you can retrieve from your MFA app. Input the code and click Verify again. Now that your identity is verified, it's time to enter a new password. Carefully type in your new desired password and confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Be sure to use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Finally, click on Change Password. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Zoho Mail account password. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider updating it regularly to maintain your account's security. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.